Welcome back, everyone. Chris Drizga here with your year-end market update for Orange County's industrial sector. The market softened again this past quarter. We closed out 2024 with a vacancy rate of 5.09%, an average rental rate of $1.59 a square foot, and an average sale price of $387 per square foot. While the lease and sale pricing declines are negligible, the vacancy rate represents a near doubling year over year. Sale inventory remains thin, so a disproportionate share of the vacancy and availability is accumulating in properties that are offered just for lease. Construction activity increased throughout the quarter with 2.3 million square feet in the pipeline and another 500,000 square feet in the planning phase. About half of this activity is located in South Orange County. Recently completed projects remain vacant, which has contributed to the uptick in vacancy and downward pressure on rents. Notable leases for the quarter include Hampton Products. They renewed 307,000 square feet in Foothill Ranch. GKN leased 125,000 square feet in Garden Grove, and Transpark Inc. leased 96,000 square feet in Anaheim. As for notable sales, LBA sold 25892 Town Center Drive in Foothill Ranch for $96 million. P3 Foundation bought 16542 Milliken Avenue in Irvine for $50 million. And Chandler Sand and Gravel bought 17392 Daimler Street in Irvine for $16 million. You can visit my website, chrisdrizga.com, for the complete reports. I appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you here next time.